Hey guys, it's Days also as Bibulays on my channel! So for today's video, we're going to tackle about our bikini area. So summer na ngayon, so medyo uso na yung mga beach trips natin, and syempre yung mga bathing suit natin and all. So if medyo daring kayo, nagtutupis kayo and all, diba? So very, very important na we take care of our bikini area. So luckily, we have these products from Love Thyself, LTS. So they sent these products to me to try out. Saktong-sakto, it's the summertime. So I have been using these for about 2 weeks now, and I have my fair share of review, my fair share of thoughts about these products. So, let's talk about them right now. Ito yung kit nila. So, we have here 5 products. So, we have the lotion. So, we'll just talk about this later. And may hanggul siya. Ayan. And I'm kind of studying Korean lately. Kasi nga, syempre BTS and all. But I can read basic Korean letters, so let me try and teach you guys later. So we have the Bum Scrub, and then the Body Butter, Triple Lightening Serum, and the Sun Gel. Ayan. So let's talk about them one by one. So the Milky Way. Ayan. So it says here, Milky White. Ayan. So, Milky White. Ayan. So, even takpan nyo yan, I can still read it. So, nakakatuwa lang if you know how to read another language. So, ayun. For the Milky White, what I like about this is the floral scent. When you open this up, it has this florally but at the same time milky scent, and I really love this. So far when I got it, it's been my staple lotion ever since. So when you use it, so this one, it absorbs on the skin right away, and it's not sticky or heavy. It's really nice, and it gives you a subtle glow, but it's not parang wala siyang white cast and all. Ayan. And it really smells so good. As in, I love it so much. But yes, it gives you that subtle glow, which I really love, especially on the shoulders and on the legs. I think pinicturean ko yung legs ko at one time kasi nakita ko sobrang shiny niya. I'll put up the picture here somewhere. But look at this. Ayan, no. My shoulder is shinier than this one. Ayan, kita naman, diba? So I really like this intensive whitening paraben-free Milky White lotion. It also says that it has SPF PA+++, which I love. Actually, recently, I have been into swimming. Siguro two times a week ako nagsiswimming lately dito sa amin, and as you can see, I have like tan lines and all, but I'm not afraid to go out and swim because I know that this lotion brings back my old skin. Actually nga, nung tinry ko to one time and then I didn't go swimming for a week, bumalik yung kulay ko, as in nawala yung tan line ko. But, yun nga, since nakakahiligan ko siya ulit, nagkakaroon ulit ako ng tan line. So, I am not afraid to go out and swim because of this lotion kasi I know my skin will come back. So, yes. Next is the body butter. So, let's read it in Hangul. So, Padi ba? Hindi ko makita eh, pero ayan nga. Pata. Ayan. Pati. Pata. So, my pronunciation isn't the best, pero basically yun. So body butter. Yan. This is a stretch mark minimizing shea butter and coconut butter paraben-free stretch mark massage lotion formulated in Korea. So what I like about this body butter is that it's very, very, very thick. It has a papaya and butter scent. But I did try this on my stretch marks. Ito yung stretch marks ko. I'll put up a picture. Di ko na sasabihin kung saan yan. But, yan yung stretch marks ko. But, since sobrang tagal niya yung stretch marks ko, so sobrang years ago na yan, hindi siya nag-lighten right away with 2 weeks of using this body butter. Nakalagay naman dito is apply on stretch mark prone areas twice daily for best results. So most likely if you have areas like your belly or like your thighs, if they are prone to stretch marks, this as a prevention. So bago ka magka-stretch mark, I think this is best to use before magka-stretch mark ka. But if you have stretch marks, it's not too late. You can definitely use this, but I think it will take a really, really long time. Kasi nga for me, 2 weeks wasn't enough. So, yes. Bango. So, ito siya. And, so, my skin is so moisturized. As in, I think you can use this as your lotion as well. Pero, it's definitely heavier than the Milky Way lotion. So yeah, if you want a heavier lotion, use this one. If you want a lighter version, you can use this one. Okay, next is the triple lightening. Ang liit kasi. So you have pa natin. Kasi hindi ko nakikita. Triple. So this is whitening. So triple lightening. So this has 3 times intensive whitening. It has arbutin, licorice, vitamin C, and it's paraben free. So this is the Bikini Line Serum, and it's also formulated in Korea. So medyo nagamit ko siya. Ayan na. For 2 weeks, medyo marami na ako nagamit. It has a aloe vera gel type of consistency. And I put this on my bikini line area for 2 weeks. And I can say that it has lightened 1 shade lighter. But in my defense, defend ko lang yung sarili ko. My bikini line is not like super dark. Medyo may pigmentation because, you know, I'm a normal person and sa skin type ko, may pigmentation talaga somewhere. But this definitely helped. It makes your skin smoother, so less friction siya, lalo na sa bikini line area mo. Syempre, pag may friction kasi, mas prone yun maging darker yung skin mo eh. So this helps. And since it has 3 times intensive whitening, it will definitely help to whiten that area. So this one doesn't have that much of a scent. Wala siyang masyadong scent for me. So I think you can use this elsewhere. Ako, minsan nilagay ko siya sa kilikili, on my knees, and yun nga sa bikini area ko. So yeah, I definitely recommend this product if you want to lighten a part of your body, because yeah, it lightened my bikini area. Fairness. Okay, next we have the Bum Bum Scrub. So let's read it in Korean. So we have Ong Tongi. So I guess that's like bum bum in Korean. Like Ong Tongi. Skurab. Yeah. So please forgive my pronunciation, pero I'm trying my best. So ito nga, si Bum Bum Scrubs. So this is the butt brightening scrub and paraben free. So alam niyo naman yung parang ilalim na area ng bambang, 'di ba? So you can use this as a scrub. I love this scrub actually. I use this sa bikini area ko as well at pati sa bambam area ko, but sometimes I use it sa arms ko and legs, and grabe ang soft ng skin ko, I swear. Sobrang exfoliate niya and all. And this smells so yummy. It has parang papaya scent. It has a papaya scent. Yan. Tapos super bango niya. I really love it. Yung beads niya for the scrub is parang medium sized. So, pero nakalagay yun dito. It has apricot beads. Ayan. I don't know if you can see it. Pero, ayan yun. Yan yung scrub niya. And I swear, my skin is so soft and smooth after this scrub. So, not only I use this for my butt, but I use this on my arms kasi sobrang smooth na skin ko after. I swear. So, yeah. Again, definitely recommend. I'm not sponsored by Love Thyself, but they gave these products for me to try, and in fairness, I've been loving them. Last but definitely not the least is this Rosy Dew Invisible Sun Gel. Read it in Korean again, but nasabi ko na. So this is Roshi Dew. So Rosy Dew. Ayan. So this is the Invisible Sun Gel. This is for your face actually. So it has contents. Medyo maliit lang siya. It's hard for me to read. But this has niacinamide and tomato extract. And this has SPF 45. So, medyo low lang yung SPF niya, but this is okay for everyday use na rin. So, this is what it looks like. Ayan. Parang gel consistency. It doesn't have any white cast when you put it on. It doesn't have that very sunblock smell. Naalala nyo, pag it reminds you of summer outing. Alam nyo yun, basta it doesn't have that. It only has that very subtle tomato scent. It's very lightweight, so it's perfect for everyday use. And it also dries matte, so it's not dewy. Kasi diba may mga sun gel or sunscreen that gives you like that parang shiny dewy look. But this doesn't give that. It dries matte. So, it dries very matte. Parang skin-like texture siya. Ayan. So, that is it. Would I recommend these? Yes, very much. Because I enjoyed using them. Like, every product, promise. I will still continue to use them and update you guys on my progress and all, but it's really nice, promise. It smells really good, it's effective, it's fun to use, especially the scrub. I love the scrub, and yeah, definitely recommend. If you guys are interested, I'll put the link down below. Make sure to check them out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this is helpful. I hope you learned like Korean alphabets with me. But yeah, thank you guys again for watching. Make sure to check these out. It's available on Shopee, so ililink ko na lang to. And check out Love Thyself. They have tons of products there, and hopefully I get to try them soon because I really enjoyed these. So thank you, Love Thyself, for these, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!